Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I made this journal out of the paper that I'm using for the Crafty Christmas Collab put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts. But I didn't want to have two journals in my 4 videos. I wanted more variety in my projects. So I just broke this off on its own video and I'm going to show you this, and then next week in the collab I will make cards. But that way there's more variety. But I thought that you would still want to see this project. So this is the snow globe paper that comes in the collection, and it comes with embossing and glitter on it. And then I made a snow globe shaker for the front. This is only the second time I've ever put a shaker on the front of a journal. The other one was in the video series already. I like it, but I tried to use an embellishment from the paper pad. So this has a ridge right here. So the stuff catches a little inside, which I think is kind of neat because then it sticks up at the top some too. And if it bothers you, you can push it back down. It's a little smaller than I would have liked. And I don't know if there was a larger one in the paper collection, but by the time I came up with the idea, this is what I had to work with. And I wanted it bigger, so I put it on white paper, and then I put it on green paper to draw your eye to it and glued it to the front. So I like having the big shaker on top of all the other shakers. I thought that was fun. And I left the threads coming off. I made this with December daily in mind. December daily or a holiday planner or a traveler's notebook, whatever you want. But that was kind of my thinking. So there are plenty of places to write. And it's fighting me a little. It hasn't had the time to settle down. On the front right here, I have joy, and the paper is really nice and textured with embossing, and a gingerbread man die cut, and a place to write there, and a doily sewn in. It's the most wonderful time of the year is a tip up, so you can journal behind it. And it can be a smash book too. You can glue stuff in anywhere you want, but I've left enough room for you to get creative, and a lot of blank pieces of paper to write on. The edges are straight on this one, and it's not inked. It's a little cleaner. And I stamped random things here and there. I love doing that. Santa's helper, good cheer, and a bunch of random embellishments down here. And I fussy cut around this typewriter that's typing ho, ho, ho. And on the back, I stamped celebrate the season on some dyed music paper. And friends are the magic of Christmas. And this journal has a lot of mint. It's mint and red. The first one I made with the same exact collection had a lot of black. And I was experimenting with doing a journal that had a completely different look. Color-wise and just the tones of it, it is completely different. It's very fun. And I think it's good to see how you can do such different projects with the same paper pad. If you're a mint lover, this is the journal for you. And here I have 2 blank pieces of paper. Oh, one I stamped a tree on. And then this tag, I put a Santa hat and believe. The string has some silver glitter in it. Little pizzazz. And then a cute little envelope, and you flip it up. And it says, here comes Santa Claus. And then you open it up, and there's just a scrap of piece of paper to write on in there. You can tuck it back in, close it up. And here's another little cluster, and the star says Merry Christmas all over it. And this one, I put a star and special delivery and layered a snowflake on top of their snowflake picture. So it's a little thick for the pocket, but it's just super cute. And then the back has the deer on it, and you can write on it. And here's a tip out for journaling right there. And just a bit of gold speckle washi, a little sparkle. And these pages are all good for journaling on too. Lots of places to write in here. Baby, it's cold outside, to journal on the back. A nice tuck spot. And here we have some heat embossing on the page. I think you can see it. Some of it is plain white and some of it has some glitter in it, just to really give interest to your journaling page. Here, I was just gluing fun things together from different collections and having fun. So I have a bunch of trees, December 25th. There's glitter embossing on the card back here. And then I have puffy stickers and a piece of chipboard. And this is for journaling on. And then we've got some sheet music paper. Another fun little tuck spot where I just glued some fun things together. Put a piece of paper behind it. And it says, Santa, stop here. I like to have a lot of tuck spots for all of your things. Here we go. Here's oh, his little leg's getting messed up. I made these and I probably should have glued the deer down flatter. In fact, I'm going to touch him up right now. Okay. I glued his little feet down so he doesn't lose them because he's kind of popped up on Dimension. There's a puffy sticker tree and it says magical and cozy. And there's some glitter on the back. And these are just lots of places to write or glue little photos of the day, candy wrappers of your favorite Christmas candy. May the gift of peace, love, and joy be yours this season. I like to have little tuck spots that nobody will be looking for. So that little envelope. And this is a piece of ribbon that I've sewed on with gold thread. And over here, another tuck spot, just a plain piece of paper, and Santa's sleigh with some sparkle behind him. 'Tis the season, and 'tis the season is also a tuck spot. I just don't know if you want to cover up your reindeer. I was just having fun. And some washi tape down here. And again, we have more of those embossed snowflakes on the page. And the trees also have some embossed texture for the ornaments. And on this page, I have mint and almost a pale blue. So it says peace and joy on the washi tape and blessed right here. And then the card says joy and it's blank on the back. And I've left a lot of space for you to write. Whether you're a December daily person or you just want a fun book to glue pictures of your family in, tuck spot, nice big piece of paper. And here too. I like this one. It's a little too puffy, so it's kind of putting a dent in the next page, but it's just cute. I took a red circle wreath embellishment that was purchased and then put joy in the middle. And I like how that turned out. And it holds nicely too. It's nice and sturdy. Some washi tape and some more washi tape over here. Bear hugs welcome. And some Wink of Stella to give that some sparkle on the back. You Cut Farm, and you have your coffee cup and your hat with all the glitter on it. Open on December 25th. These tags could be taken out and put on gifts if you don't want to use them to journal on the back. Season's greetings. See, that would have been a good one for the front too. I must have misplaced it and then found it later because I think I found it at the very end. But that would have been a good one for the front. Then I put in a couple of these cards, moment and story. And there's a cute little snowman on this doily. 2 pieces of paper to write on. I think it's fun. I kind of like the mint green for Christmas and celebrating the holidays. It's cheerful if it's a little dreary near you. I know some of you get beautiful white snow, but it's not like that for all of us. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in this journal, you can find it in my Etsy store and the link will be down below. Bye-bye.